Revolutionize your living space with ingenious home inventions. Discover a world of innovation tailored for your comfort and convenience. Have you ever seen videos where trash cans are blown down the street by the wind? Sometimes, these bins have such a poor design that even small animals can easily tip them over. But there's a solution available now known as KOALA. This stabilizer not only increases the stability of the trash can, but also secures its lid. Its design is well thought out. It arrives unassembled, but the manufacturer ensured that the assembly process is straightforward. Additionally, it's compatible with many containers, ranging from 132 to 363 liters in capacity. You can purchase this stabilizer for $179. Handymanny does an important job making and putting window covers. These covers go over holes in the ground that let light and air into basements and ground level rooms. Without covers, these holes can become places where people throw trash. Handymanny's covers keep these holes clean and stop dirt, rain, and heat from getting in. The type of cover depends on what the customer wants and what they can afford. For example, one kind of cover, made by Handymanny, can hold up to 136 kilograms and lets in almost all the light while stopping snow and rain. Before diving back in for more genius home innovations, hit like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead in the game of ingenious living. Ready for more? Let's explore! Here's a way to make your swimming season longer if you love using outdoor pools. Heating systems like this are very popular, even though they cost $126. But it's a good deal because solar energy is free. A heater like the Cocky Doocops can warm up to 10 cubic meters of water by 0.7 degrees Celsius in only 10 hours. Also, it's easy to assemble, weighing about 7 kilograms. The heat it makes is protected from the wind, which makes it work even better. While some people focus on improving their gadgets or chicken coops, others concentrate on enhancing their gutters. Take RainDrop, for example. They offer gutters that are hassle-free. These gutters need no maintenance because they not only keep debris out, but also clean themselves. They are about 25 centimeters wide. In winter, they use the sun's warmth to melt snow and ice on the edge of the roof. In areas with a lot of rain, the team suggests gutters with holes for draining that are 4 times bigger than usual. As an added bonus, they provide a warranty for 20 years. A happy customer confirms that their house's gutters stayed clean even after 11 years. It's incredible how advancements are reaching everywhere, even in chicken coops. The Coop team's model is really smart. It uses special technology like AI algorithms, cameras, and sound sensors to watch how the birds behave. Then it sends messages to the owner's phone to keep them updated about how happy their feathered friends are. If the birds aren't feeling too happy, the Coop gives ideas on how to make them feel better. Plus, it has a heating system built in, and the doors open and close by themselves. Each coop can hold 4 to 6 birds and costs around $11,995. A regular king-size mattress usually weighs around 30 to 50 kilograms, making it tough for many to lift while changing bed linens, mattress pads, and covers. But fear not. The EazyMaker team has the perfect fix, a pneumatic mattress jack. It can manage weights up to 453 kilograms, effortlessly lifting and lowering the mattress in just 1 minute. And if you happen to forget it underneath, no worries. It'll automatically lower the mattress and switch off after 8 minutes. Grab your EazyMaker for just $134. For those looking to add to their solar shades and verandas, think about these energy storage systems from MTE. Some versions are so small they can fit on your balcony. Let's take a look at the MTE B2500. It provides 6,720 watt-hours of capacity and is super simple to set up, only taking 15 minutes. The 2240W MTE B2500 is priced at $1,266. The Markilux ES-1 awning is a big one, measuring 6.5 by 3 meters, similar to the size of the delivery box. It works well with smart homes. You can make it even better by adding things like vibration lights, sensors for wind and rain, LED lights, and infrared heating. There's a spring system that makes sure the fabric is pulled tight and smooth. This awning is made with strong steel that doesn't get rusty, so it's good even if you live by the sea where there's salt water. You can get the Markilux ES-1 for $7,450. Solar Plus Incorporated focuses on making solar panels and other related products. One of their remarkable products is the 60-cell Rec Alpha panel, generating 410 watts of power. These panels easily fit in with various home designs. For example, Lumos panels can be adjusted to work on terraces or in parking lots. Moreover, in numerous areas, you might qualify for a tax credit when you install these panels. This kitchen hood is really clever. It's so smart that it can suggest new recipes directly on its 27-inch touchscreen. It runs on Android, giving you access to lots of different apps. If you feel like taking a break from cooking, you can use its multiple built-in cameras to have a video chat. Plus, you can send emails, listen to music, or check the weather for tomorrow using the voice assistant. It's really efficient too, moving 17 cubic meters of air per minute. You can buy it for $948. There's also a similarly clever stove, with an oven available separately for $5,000. Ventilation systems, like the high-end AIRHOME system from Fentir, are getting more attention. For example, the AIRHOME system can circulate air at a rate of 350 cubic meters per hour. Homeowners can change how strong the ventilation is in different parts of their house. This AIRHOME system doesn't just bring in fresh air, it also gets rid of old, stale air and removes harmful stuff from the air. It works quietly too, making only about 38 decibels of noise, which is quieter than many computers. Another good thing about it is that it works well with the widely used Modbus RTU protocol, making it easy to connect with other home devices. In 2015, the person who started AutoSpout bought a house. A few years later, the house had flooding because the rainwater drainage system didn't work right. So, this person decided to make a new solution. Now you can see it on your screen. It's a special gutter extension that doesn't need electricity, batteries, or any complicated stuff like smart home connections. When it rains, this extension goes down with the water flow. When the rain stops, it goes back up. This helps move the water about 1.5 meters away from the house. The extension has holes for drainage, so there's no problem with ice building up or mold. You can buy one of these extensions for $60.